What's up guys, the much talked about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite has finally leaked in some real life images. As in most cases with Samsung devices, the pictures come from the same mobile website. Well, after a quick first look, it's become clear Samsung stick to the square camera module design on the back of the handset. A very similar style to the previously ridiculized iPhone 11 Pro camera setup, but made even worse looking somehow. Design choices aside, the smartphone appears to pack a total of 3 rear cameras. According to the previous rumors, these have a resolution of 12 megapixel for the main lens, 12 megapixel for the secondary ultra-wide angle lens, and a 12 megapixel for the third telephoto camera. In the front, in a punch hole, we instead find a single front camera that always, according to the previous rumors, has a resolution of 32 megapixel. Another very interesting detail confirmed by the leaked photos in the presence of a flat panel which replaces the curved screen of the bigger brother. Meanwhile, the S Pen appears to be still available in all its beauty, thus making it a real Note 10 alternative. As far as specifications are concerned, the display will be of the AMOLED type and 6.7-inch big with full HD Plus resolution dubbed Infinity O due to the punch hole camera. To power up the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, we find a Samsung's Exynos 9810 processor along with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage expandable by microSD. The large handset will then be fueled by a large battery with a capacity of 4500 mAh which supports for 25 voltage fast charging. The smartphone will also run One UI 2.0 based on Android 10. And yeah guys, finally, regarding the prices, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite by Samsung should be priced around $750. So, what do you guys think about the design? So, what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.